Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're getting into a strategy that every elite brand uses: how to build a referral engine without constantly asking for referrals. The best referrals don't come from begging. They come from building such an exceptional experience that people want to tell everyone about you. When you deliver results, create emotional resonance, and make people feel proud to be associated with your brand, you don't have to chase referrals. They happen naturally because people love to share experiences that made them feel empowered, valued, and transformed. The first step to creating a referral engine is over-delivering on the core promise. People refer when they feel like they got more than they expected. They refer when they feel like associating with your brand makes them look good too. When you help someone achieve a real transformation, not just a transaction, they can't help but talk about it. Second, make your brand easy to brag about. This means being clear, memorable, and emotionally resonant. Give people simple language to describe what you do. When your clients can easily say, "She helped me do X," or "Working with her changed Y in my life," it makes it effortless for them to refer you. Confused clients rarely refer. Clear, proud clients refer enthusiastically. Third, celebrate your clients publicly. When you highlight your clients' wins, share their testimonials, or shout them out on your platforms, it creates a mutual loyalty loop. They feel valued, they feel proud, and they naturally invite others into that ecosystem. And lastly, build a brand that feels like a movement, not just a product. People love to share movements. They love to say, "I'm part of this." If your brand makes them feel like they're part of something bigger, they'll bring others with them, because it deepens their own identity and investment. Final tip: you don't have to chase referrals when you create experiences, results, and relationships so powerful that your clients want to bring others into it. Build something worth talking about, and your name will spread faster and further than any ad ever could.